Hi guys, welcome back. As promised, another tutorial on template 2, and we will be creating this flower which measures around a little over 18 inches, so it is a pretty big flower. So what you're going to need today, well, obviously your template 2s, and today we're going to be working with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you will need the first 5, and you will need to trace 3 of the little ones, and then you're going to need to do 6 of the rest. Okay, so 6 of the rest, and then just 3 of the little one. You will also need, for your circles, you will need to trace out a large circle, and then you will also need to trace out a small circle. Again, the same color that you will be using to make your flower. Materials wise, you're going to need, again, pencil, you're going to need your glue gun. We also will be needing, again, something to curl with. Again, I like to use my spaghetti spatula, but you could use a wooden dowel or a glue stick. I know many paper flower girls like to use their glue sticks. I just like using my spaghetti utensil. Also, before I forget, you will need a gem. I like to add a gem to the center. So any gem of your liking. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, time purposes, I already traced mine. So let's prep them. We're gonna prep them the same way that we did with the smaller one. So all you're gonna do is fold it in half. Get your, whatever you're gonna use to curl, and curl away. Now this is a little bit more easier to work with, this paper. This is a light colored cream cardstock, and it is by Spring Hill. It is one of my favorites to use. It's very highly requested. I think I use this color pretty much in every set that I do. I like to either purchase from Walmart or Amazon. I do have Amazon Prime, and it is amazing because it's Prime and it's fast shipping, and it can be inexpensive. Sometimes they have great deals on Amazon, especially on this cardstock. Okay, so I have them all prepped. And actually, I should have never curled that one because we're not going to curl this one. I will tell you what we'll do with this one, okay? So curl all your petals besides the 3, okay? Besides the little small ones. Once you have them all curled, you're going to do the same thing as we did with the other tutorial. We are going to glue. So cut a little dot. So essentially, guys, we're going to pretty much be doing this same method like we did with the smaller flower that we did earlier. But this time we're going to be using 6 petals instead of 5, and obviously they're a little bit larger. So let's get started. So just a little dot, and remember we're going to try to form a circle, leaving some space in between the flowers. And again, just do a very tiny little dot at the corners, because again, if you make a mistake, you know, it'll be easy for you to just take the petal off and, you know, re-glue it. So I have one more. All right, that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna glue the last one. So again, remember I said try to make a circle. Now remember when I said to trace out that other big circle, that's because we're going to use it to cover this gap. So around the edges, you're going to put some glue. There we go. And just try to cover. There you go. Now, next size, we are going to be going in between the larger wrong size. Here we go. And there we go. We're going to go around. Just like that. So I am going to fast forward, guys, this part, because we know what we have to do, right? We're just going to be gluing in between petals until you reach those last 3 tiny little petals, and I will show you guys what we're going to do with those. So I will be right back. I'm going to finish gluing the remainder of the petals. All right, you guys, welcome back. Well, turns out I miscounted. I forgot to trace one more of those second smaller ones. Now remember that small circle I told you to trace? We're going to be using that circle to insert in the middle of the flower. Okay, now remember the 3 little small ones? What you will be doing is, now remember, we're not curling these, you're just going to fold it about 1 inch. Don't fold it all the way up. Get your glue and then cross it. Do you see how kind of the 2 corners meet? So essentially this is the shape that you're trying to get. Now what you're going to do is just add glue. Put it to the center, so you're kind of forming a triangle. Does that make sense? Like a triangle? I'll show you guys what I mean. So something like that, 3, see, like a triangle. And then that's where you're gonna get your gem. Add some glue. And then place it in the center. voila, there you go. There is your template 2, what you can create. Again, you're not limited to the center. You could always, you know, omit these 3 and then maybe include like a little, like a palm center or something. So you're not limited. You can obviously do whatever you want in the middle. I just like this because it's more simple and it's cute to add the little gem. So thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the video that I will be sending you on how to add the backs and how to mount them onto fabric or onto the wall. If you have any questions, please message me on my Instagram at Ariel Lace Designs, or on my Etsy, which also at Ariel Lace Designs. You can message me. I'm more than willing to help you guys. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.